This is the general settings page of the GemAutomate Browser program. It is used for configuring basic options such as theme, language, browser version, and profile storage location. At the top is the theme section, where you can choose between dark or light mode as desired. Next is the language section, used to select the language displayed in the program, such as English. Below that, a yellow warning message appears. Please turn off the profile before installing. This means you must close all currently running profiles before installing, updating, or clearing folders. Otherwise, the system may malfunction. The browser section lets you choose which browser to use, for example, Chrome browser, and select the desired version. Version 138 is shown in the image. Reinstall is used to reinstall the browser. Update config updates the browser configuration. Clean Profiles folder clears all stored profile data. At the bottom is storage location, showing where browser profiles are stored. You can change the storage path by selecting a new folder. There are 3 data management options. Use selected path. Use the new path without copying old data. Copy profiles to selected path. Copy all existing profiles to the new location. Move profiles to selected path. Move all existing profiles to the new location. After choosing the desired option, click Save to confirm and apply all changes. Automation. The Automation tab in GemAutomate Browser is used to configure how workflows run automatically. The example shown demonstrates settings for running multiple profiles simultaneously. At the top, Workflow Logs defines how long log data is kept before being automatically deleted. For example, 60 days means logs are kept for 60 days. Logs limit specifies the maximum number of log files to retain. Number of concurrent threads defines how many profiles can run at the same time. For example, setting 6 means 6 profiles can run concurrently. Scale adjusts the browser window size during workflow execution. Window size defines the grid layout for browser windows within the workflow view. Open time between profiles, MS, sets the delay between opening each profile in milliseconds. 1000 milliseconds equals 1 second. Change IP option controls whether to change the IP before running a profile. Numbers of repeats specifies how many times the same workflow should repeat. Setting 0 means it runs only once. At the bottom are 2 additional options. Check IP at start. Verify the current IP before running. Close browser after completion. Automatically close the browser when the task is finished. All of these options can be customized as needed. After making changes, click Save to apply the new settings. Browser. This is the Browser tab in the Settings page of GemAutomate Browser, used to configure the behavior of each profile's browser during automation. At the top, the URL Start field defines a URL to automatically open when a profile starts. For example, entering facebook.com opens Facebook every time. Chrome arguments and remove arguments fields allow adding or removing special Chrome starter commands. On the left side, there are main feature toggles. Clear cookie. Automatically clear cookies when the browser closes. Image. Enable/disable image loading during runs. Restore last session. Reopen tabs from the previous session. Bypass Cloudflare. Skip Cloudflare checks when opening websites. Save profile cookie. Save profile cookies before closing the browser. On the right side, there are processing and display options. GPU. Allow GPU acceleration for browser rendering. Sound. Enable or mute browser audio. Headless. Run in invisible mode. Clear cache. Clear cache automatically after each session. Extensions. Allow Chrome extensions to load on startup. Virtual mouse. Show a simulated mouse for human-like interaction. Proxy. Run browser traffic through the proxy set in the profile. Change fingerprint. Change browser fingerprint data, user agent, canvas, WebGL, etc. after each session. After adjusting settings, click Save to apply them. These configurations take effect every time a profile is launched in the program. Editor. This is the Editor tab in the Settings page of GemAutomate Browser, used to adjust the appearance and behavior of the workflow editor, the area where you drag and connect blocks. At the top, min zoom and max zoom define the zoom range in the workflow view. For example, values 0.1 and 1.3 mean the view can zoom out to 10% and zoom in to 130% of normal size. Below are 3 toggles. Line arrow, show or hide arrows on connection lines between blocks, helping visualize workflow direction. Snap to the grid. When enabled, blocks automatically align to the grid while dragging, keeping the layout neat. Autosave. When enabled, as shown, the system automatically saves workflow changes after editing or running. After adjusting preferences, click Save to store them. These options help keep workflows tidy, easy to understand, and prevent losing work. Shortcuts. This is the Shortcuts tab in GemAutomate Browser, used to view and configure keyboard shortcuts so users can quickly execute actions with key combinations. Webhook. This is the Webhook tab in GemAutomate Browser, used to configure and monitor the Webhook system. Webhook allows external systems, such as N8N or other servers, to send commands to control and automatically run workflows inside the program. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates to GemAutomate. Want to give it a try? Just reach out to our admin from the link in the description below.